Welcome to Training for You channel. Short story in English.
A recent trip that I disliked was to an island in the south of my country. I went there with some of my close friends. We wanted to do a few activities there, one of which was kayaking. When we started out in the kayaks, the sky was clear and there was no sign of rain. However, when we got to the middle of the sea, it rained suddenly, and we had to turn back immediately. I felt frustrated because we had a lot of bad luck during the trip. I also felt disappointed because it did not live up to my expectations. In fact, when we did scuba diving, the water was very murky and we found it hard to observe the sea creatures. I believe I won't go back to that place anytime soon.